Welcome to our tutorial on creating polls in your Telegram group. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once the app is launched, navigate to the specific group where you'd like to create a poll. Next, within the group, locate the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to reveal a menu of options available for sharing. From the list of options, select the poll icon. This will open up a window where you can input the question you want to ask and provide the various options for members to choose from. After entering your question and options, simply tap the Create button to finalize and post the poll within the group. Engaging with your group members through polls can foster interaction and gather valuable insights. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily create polls in your Telegram group and enhance group participation. Start creating polls today and make your group discussions more interactive and dynamic.